Hi guys, today I'm making some gluten-free, wheat-free and milk-free pancakes. So here's what the box looks like. First we need a bowl, a spoon, a whisk if you need to use a spoon, and a whisk because sometimes I do, and then some pancake mixture, some oil, some no egg, and some water for the no egg, and some water in there, and then a little whisk for the no egg, and a little spoon for no egg. So first we need the bowl, and then the mix. Then we need the pancake mix. We need to open up the pancake mix. And then we have this is the bag of pancake mixture. We put the whole thing in, and we also need scissors, but do not use scissors at home. Guys, get a parent to help you. And then you dump the whole thing in. Okay, so I've got 450 mils of water, and I'm going to put in 50 mils of oil. Now we just need to make a hole. That'll be enough. Doesn't matter if it's there. At least do it like. Now there we go. Whisk that up. A bit more now, bit by bit. Sometimes we do them colour, but we're not going to do them colour today. We might do them coloured in our next pancake today. Doesn't matter if it's going over the edge. At least we don't scrape in any of the pancakes. Otherwise it will get a bit harder to mix. In. Whole rest of it, so we have to really mix. now we're going to move that to the side and then sit between the okay, so now I need to get the knife. There's in here and if you know it together. It out. 3 teaspoons of this going into 6 tablespoons of water. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. She's a whisk. We can make the no egg. I'm going to use the spoon. It's kind of like cream. There's no chunks in there. Let's just give it one. Let's put that over here. Let's just give it one little more mix with the whisk. There we go. Now we'll move that to the side, the leg. Now let's just mix it a bit more. Right, that will be enough. Now we'll add in the no egg. Let's scoop out the rest. Of it. Let's put that up there. Now let's give it a good mix. Just turn a bit of water on. Yeah. Right. That is the perfect. Now it's time to put them on the pan and yeah, time to get them cooking and then they'll be ready to eat. Yeah, I think that, no, there's still some chunks. Look, you can see them chunks. Still some chunks. It's not done yet. Little guy. So we poured it into the jug to make it easier to pour in the pan. And then my dad is going to make some pancakes. We're going to cook it until all of the bubbles stop popping and then we're going to flip it. I'm having this pancake. 20 out of 20. I think it's a 20 out of 20. So these are good, really, really yummy. And now that's how you make some gluten-free, wheat-free, milk-free, and egg-free pancakes. Bye bye, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the link in the description down below. Bye! Bye bye! Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.